See the next problem. BC company has budgeted unit sales as follows. So they have given months, 4 months they have given April, May, June, July, and sales units they have given. These are the budgeted sales or estimated sales in units. The company is preparing a production budget for second quarter of 2013. So they are preparing only for the second quarter of 2013. Production budget of second quarter of 2013. Past experience has shown that end of month inventory level will be equal to 10% of the following month's sales. The inventory at the end of the March was 10,000. So this one will come later. Prepare a production budget for the quarter. So production budget, see the solution. Production budget of BC company for the quarter ended June 30. So in 1 year we have 4 quarters. Each quarter consists of 3 months. So first quarter is January, February, March. So next quarter is April, May and June. So this is the second quarter. Here they have mentioned clearly the company is preparing production budget for only for second quarter of 2013. So we need to prepare only for the second quarter. So particulars April, May, June. So this is the second quarter, then it is a total. So first one is estimated sales in units. So this information they have already given in the problem. That is for April 1 lakh, May 1,40,000, June 1,30,000. Write that values here. 1 lakh, 1,40,000, 1,30,000. Add and write the total here. Next, for this we need to add the desired closing stock. Here in the problem they have not given directly what is the closing stock, but they have given some information related to that. See here, past experience has shown that end of month inventory. What is inventory? Inventory means stock. So at end of each month, the inventory level will be equal to 10% of the following month's sales. So here, at the end of April month, so the stock will be, the closing stock of April month is 10%, equal to 10% of the following month sales. So here the April month closing stock is the following month's sales 10%. It is equal to 10% of the following month. Following month is May. So that means the May's sales is 1,40,000 into 10%. How much we will get? 14,000, right? So the April month closing stock is equal to the following month's, equal to 10% of the following month's sales. So when we do the sales, this is the following month's sales, right? After April we will get May. So May sales is 1,40,000 into 10%, we will get 14,000. That 14,000 is the closing stock for the April month. So that is the information they have given here. So for April we need to calculate here. See, May it is 1,40,000 is sales, into 10% we need to do, we will get 14,000. Next, May's closing stock, how to calculate this? So next month's sales into 10%. So here June month sales is 1,30,000 into 10% we have to do, then we will get 13,000. That is May's closing stock. Next, June closing stock, how to calculate next month's June closing stock, how to calculate this? So following month's sales, that is 1,50,000 into 10%, 1,50,000 into 10%, we will get 15,000. So these are the closing stock. 1 lakh, you have to add these three values and write the total here. Next, for the estimated sales in units, you need to add the desired closing stock. You will get these values. 1 lakh plus 14,000, 1,14,000, 1,40,000 plus 13,000, 1,53,000. So then add this. Then after adding all the values, then you need to add these three values and write the total here. Then from this we need to deduct the opening stock. So here opening stock also they have not given directly. See here, they have given the inventory at the end of March was 10,000 they have given. So what is the inventory? Inventory means stock. So at the end of March, here March month closing stock they have given. So March month, this is March month closing stock will be, for April it is a opening stock. So last month closing stock will be, for this month it is a opening stock, like that. So the inventory at the end of March was 10,000 they have given. So for April it will be a opening stock. So for April it will be a opening stock 10,000. Next, for May, how to calculate this? See here, closing stock of April will be opening stock for May. How much we have closing stock? 14,000. So this closing stock of April will be opening stock of opening stock for the May month, that is 14,000. Same thing will come here. The closing stock of May, that is 13,000, will be the opening stock of June. So we got all the opening stock value. Add these three values and write the total here. Then from this you need to deduct the opening stock. From 1,14,000 you need to deduct 10,000, you will get 1,04,000. Then 1,53,000 minus 14,000, you will get 1,39,000. Same thing you have to do here. Then add these three values and write here. You will get the estimated net production. So this is about the production budget